So well, once again you all are welcome by me to the Artist Rapper Learning Channel. First I would like to greet to warm and peaceful good evening to respected sir, respected ma'am, ladies, teens and all my dear friends. So thanks for a beautiful song. But before starting anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Harsh Burman, son of Mr. Niram Kumar Burman and Mrs. Amta Burman. I am studying class 10th of West Central Railway Senior Secondary School, Eric Mango District, Khapaya. So today I am going to share the lesson of class 10th physics. So friends, the chapter number 9, the first chapter of the physics of class 10. Chapter is the light reflection and refraction. So friends, this chapter, firstly I would like to tell you that what is reflection. So friends, as we all know that the reflection is being done by the mirror. So friends, in this chapter in today's class, I would like to tell you about the type of the mirror by which the reflection happens. So friends, the firstly I would like to tell you the what is mirror and how it makes. So friends, the mirror is a part of a glass, and in the there is the polish of the silver coating in the one side of the mirror by which we are able to watch our face. So friends, there are the two types of mirror. First is the convex mirror and second the concave mirror. So friends, in this image, in this image you can watch to the both of the mirrors. First is the concave mirror and second is the convex mirror. So in the concave mirror there is a polish of the silver is outside of the mirror. Just like you are watching that there is a mirror, it is bent and polish of the silver is outside. These lines are showing. So these lines are showing to the polish of the silver. So and it is the reflecting surface. If the light will come from here, so light will reflect from here only. And the concave mirror has the property to the focus of the light on a one point, on a single point. If the light will come from here and if the light will come from here, it doesn't matter from where light is coming. It will focus on one point only, and light will go straight from the center of the mirror, and it will focus on the one point only. It will not be distributed by the mirror. And second mirror is convex mirror. So in this mirror you all can watch that the covering of the silver is in the outside in of the mirror, not outside. In the concave mirror we watch that the silver coating is the outside of the mirror, but it is totally different from the concave mirror. In the convex mirror, the silver coating is inside of the mirror. So the silver coating is inside of the mirror, and the light comes from here and light reflects from here. So if the light will come from anywhere, it will distribute to light. If the light will come straight, so it will distribute to every type of direction. Just like just like you are watching it, there is a mirror, and if the light will come from here, so it will distribute it. If the light will go from here, in means the all direction light will go. So this is called the convex mirror. So friends, if you want to learn more things about the class 10 physics, so be the part of Artist Rappers Academy. That is all. Thank you. Have a good day.